Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and fix featured photos not appearing on Facebook problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, the first thing would be for you to access your settings, and afterwards scroll down, tap on this option called app, and find your particular Facebook app over here, and go ahead, tap on this option called storage, and simply clear out all of the cache files as well so it can function properly. Remove the excess files that you don't need. Afterwards, tap on this Play Store and simply type in Facebook, and simply update your app as well if it's not, because that also can cause sometimes some problems, and it also helps your app to function properly without any lags and errors. Once you have opened your app, you're gonna go ahead, tap on your profile icon on top left corner, and in this section, if your featured photos are not being shown, you can tap on this three-dot icon beside edit profile and see if your file is on professional mode. So if your profile is on professional mode, then that can sometimes cause that problem. Simply turn it off, and you will be able to access all of your featured photos. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.